Hi there, I wanted to give you an overview of the laundry system. All the products that are included in it, they are not bundled, but I want to go through each of the laundry products so that you understand how they work. So the very first one, which is what really got me started with H2O at home, I bought this laundry ball. I thought there's no way this thing is gonna work. I'm gonna end up returning it. And it was the thing that I found that I loved more than anything because it actually did help so much with my laundry. And I'm gonna show you what I tested first, but it was basically the laundry ball and laundry soap. The idea of this ball, just like with our chiffonettes, replacing chemical cleaning with mechanical cleaning, this is the mechanical action in your washer that's gonna reduce your soap consumption by 2/3. So I'm gonna show you how to open this laundry ball because you can hear it, there are ceramic pearls, they're Italian ceramics inside this ball, and I wanna show you what they look like. So there's a coin slot here on the top. So you're gonna take a quarter, a coin, you can pick a different coin, and then it actually is a flexible plastic. So after you quarter turn it, you're gonna kind of pinch it and you can pry up this little cap. Okay, so now you can see that. Now I'm gonna hopefully get just a couple of these out of here. Okay, so that you can see those white ceramic pearls. Now, they've been selected both for their ceramic properties, but also their weight, their size, the size and weight of this ball, all have been tested together to give you the best mechanical action in your washer. So, and I'm gonna close this so I don't forget. Okay, so it does come with a little miniature laundry net that you put it inside just as a safeguard because this does have a coin slot. I've never had this open in the wash, but if it were to happen, that little laundry net would catch any pearls that escape. So that's why it comes with a little mini laundry net. But this is going to agitate in your washer. It is very gentle on your clothes, but it does help break up the water molecules and move it through your clothing. And that's how you can get the soap reduction in your washer. Okay, so that's the first part, the laundry ball. This is $22 that is gonna save you so much money. And it comes with the ball, the pearls, and the little laundry net all together. Okay, then our laundry soap. So there's two different scents. This is lemon and rosemary. There's also lavender and orange. Sorry about that. So lavender and orange and lemon and rosemary. So this will do 100 loads of laundry with the laundry ball. This is your average size load. So the reason this little bottle will do so many loads of laundry is because you're only using 10 milliliters. I'm gonna show you on this measuring cup. You can order a measuring cup with your laundry soap, or you can order a pump. I'll show you that in a second. But this little guy has a measurement for every product in H2O at home you might need to measure. So the liquid laundry soap is this purple line here. And with the ball, you're gonna use 10 milliliters, which is this bottom line. And without, you're gonna use 30. So that's where you see 3 times as much if you don't have the laundry ball. For our family, this lasts between 5 and 6 months, this bottle of laundry soap. So if you can work out the math to figure out how often you would be buying it. Think about how many loads a week you do. Once you get up to 100, that's when you need more soap. The ball is going to last you 18 months to 2 years before you replace the ceramics that are inside the ball. So that's where you just order the little ceramic refills and put it, open up that coin slot, put new ones in, and you can throw the old ones out. They will bead on each other in the wash and start to wear down. And that's where 18 months to 2 years or 1,000 washes before you'd replace the pearls inside. This combo right here made me a huge believer in the laundry system because I had not been able to find any detergent out there that ever made my running and workout gear smell clean until I used that. So that's all I tested it on was exercise clothing, that performance fabric that just likes to hold on to smells. And that combination of soap and the laundry ball got all of the smell out. They were truly clean. So that's your basic that you start with. So remember, you can get this little measuring cup, and then It has a little flip top, so you're just measuring 10 milliliters per load of laundry. Or you can also buy a pump to fit on this bottle. There is a white plastic pump that you can buy that is $3.50, or this stainless pump, which is just a lot more durable, and this one's $7. Plus it's very pretty, okay? So those are your options with the laundry soap. Now there are two other laundry products. I said that was four. Two other laundry products. First is the Purifying Laundry Powder. Second is Oxy Pure. I get this question a lot. What is the difference? So think about Oxy Pure as an additive. You're using your ball, you're using your laundry soap. This is like your boost, okay? It is an all-natural bleach alternative. So you put about a half a scoop of Oxy Pure in your wash along with your soap. It is fantastic for whites, helping to brighten whites, but it is also safe for colors. So you can use it on any load. It helps get stink out of deep stink. Think about like the towels that maybe got left in a bag after swimming, stuff like that, or just towel funk in general. We all know what I'm talking about. So Oxy Pure will help pull that out. It is an additive with your soap. I also use this about every 3 or 4 months to soak all of my chiffonettes in, just to give them a really deep clean. Not necessary, but super, super helpful to have, especially if you have very hard water. You can help get all the minerals out of there. All right, next is the Purifying Powder. So this product is sort of like a marriage between the Oxy Pure and the liquid soap, that you would not use this with it. It's a product that stands by itself. It is a powder. It's a 2-pound bag, just like the Oxy Pure. And this is for the really tough loads. It is a true disinfecting laundry powder. So it will disinfect whatever you wash with it. So if you have little kids that maybe have accidents in bed, I don't know, workout gear that's stinkier than anything else that you have, you can use this with that. It will disinfect. Especially recommend it for people in the medical industry, because then you can disinfect your scrubs with it. So it is the only all natural, true tested disinfecting laundry powder that is out there. So that's the difference. This is going to be your boost, whites and colors, and this is going to be for disinfecting. So that kind of gives you the round out of the laundry system. And please, if you have any questions, please let me know, but I highly, highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite things with H2O at home, because it's the whole reason I started my business, is because that laundry ball and soap made such a difference in my home and saved us a ton of money by only buying laundry soap maybe every 6 months. This is kind of the equivalent to, you know, the big jugs, big square jugs that you might buy in this little package, and then you have something that's all natural. Keep in mind that the scents are all essential oils, so there's no chemical fragrance added to anything. And all of our products are tested, and we strive for 99 to 100% natural on every single product that we have. So if you want a true natural solution for your laundry, this is the system you want. All right, let me know if you have questions, and thanks so much for watching.